Namaste, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. I, JV and Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today, I will discuss about the topic classification and definition of dosage form. This topic belongs to the pharmaceutics theory for the B.Pharm first semester. So now we come to the what is the classification of the dosage form. Classification is based on the different two categories. First on the based on route of administration, and second one is based on physical form. So the route of administration, firstly we discuss the oral route, parenteral route, topical route, transdermal route, respiratory inhalation route, and ophthalmic route, rectal route, vaginal route, and otic route. So the based on the physical form, solid, semi-solid, liquid, and gases. There are the two classification based on the route of administration. Firstly, we discuss about the internal route. So the oral, tablet, capsule, syrup, suspension, emulsion, etc. and dry powder inhaled, DPI and prescribed meter dose inhaler, nebulizer and vaporizer. Sublingual and buccal, orally disintegrating tablet, and lozenges, chewable tablets, and mouthwashes, toothpaste, ointment, and oral spray. The rectal and vaginal ointment, suppository enemas, and nutrient enemas. So now we come to the parenteral injection and infusion. Parenteral infusion and invasion is very important. So the intravenous, intramuscular, and intracardiac, intraosseous, and intraperitoneal, and intracerebral, and intraocular, and interdermal, and subcutaneous. So now we come to the topical route. Topical route is divided into three parts. First one is dermal, mucosal, and percutaneous. In dermal, ointment liniment, and mucosal, eardrop and eye drop, and percutaneous, transdermal patch. So the based on the physical form, solid dosage form, shape, tablet, capsule, and implants, and unshaped powder for external use. In semi-solid form, shaped suppositories, and unshaped gel and cream. So the liquid dosage form in monophasic and biphasic and external solution. Monophasic solution, syrup, spirits, and elixirs, tinctures, and biphasic emulsion, suspension. So the external solution is lotion, liniment, and colloidal, etc. The gaseous dosage form, medicinal gases, aerosols, inhalation, volatile anesthetics, aerodispersants, and antihistaminic spray. So the complete classification of the dosage form, firstly, solid dosage form, liquid dosage form, and semi-solid dosage form. Firstly, solid dosage form are further divided into two parts. First one is unit dosage form and bulk. So the unit dosage form in tablet, capsule, and powder pills, and bulk is divided into two parts, internal and external. Internal, fine powder and granules, external, dusting powder, insufflation, and dentifrices, snuff, and ear powders. So the liquid dosage form is divided into two parts. First one is biphasic, monophasic. Biphasic in emulsion suspension, and monophasic, internal and external. So the internal, syrup, elixirs, and linctuses, and external, liniment, ointment, and lotion. So the semi-solid preparation is divided into two categories. First one is the internal categories, and second one is the external category. Internal category, the suppository pessaries, and external category, ointment, cream, and pieces, jellies. So the classification of solid oral dosage form, tablet, capsule, powder, granules. So the classification of liquid is monophasic liquid dosage form is divided into two categories. First one is liquid for external administration, and second one is liquid for internal administration. Liquid for external administration is divided into three categories: liquid used in mouth, and liquid applied in skin, and liquid applied into the cavities. So there are a complete. So now we come to the biphasic liquid is divided into two categories. First one is solid in liquid and liquid in liquid. So the semi-solid dosage form, semi-solid cream, paste, gel, ointment, And the inhaled dosage form is also divided into different categories and rectal categories. So the solid dosage form and liquid dosage form. So there are a complete session for the introduction and classification of the doses form. This session is powered by the digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Uh, and I hope you're satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you, and thank you for the listening.